So this one is a arty farty type with all the sort of different effects going on around the cake. So I've used a little stencil just to do these sort of, you can't really tell unless you go really close to it, but little like little wheat spike effect. And then I've hand painted some little dots on, used a little bit of gold edible gold leaf, either way. And these little animals I've painted in gold to tie in with the theme. And then the birthday boy is actually having a big balloon banner in these colours. So I've covered polystyrene balls. So they're not edible, but they're lightweight and quite an easy way to create that effect. So I've just covered them in sugar paste and inserted some cocktail sticks through the ball and then into the cake itself. On the board I've stamped it with some leaf designs and then a little bit of artificial greenery just to finish it all off, and it gives this sort of safari, modern safari, arty design. So I'm pleased with it. It's turned out quite well. To say I didn't know what I was doing. She just gave me the colour scheme. The theme of the birthday is safari, and this is what I came up with. This one's actually a buttercream finish. I don't like working with buttercream. I just can't seem to get the knack of it. And today in the UK it's 29-30 degrees. It's hot, very, very hot. And I'm terrified that this is going to collapse. So it's going in the fridge until the customer collects later, because the transporting of these is just a nightmare. But there we are. Lovely buttercream safari type birthday cake.